Greetings, hello, I'm so excited for you. It's Katie Kirk and congratulations on receiving your brand new set of magnetic lashes. I'm so excited for you to feel lash-tastic and experience this for the first time. So this is a great tutorial to help you apply your lashes in 3 easy steps. So before we get started, I do need you to gather a few tools. So after I share with you what you need, you can pause this video, go gather them, and then start again. So the first thing you're going to need, obviously, is your brand new set of lashes, your magnetic liner, an air source like a hair dryer. If you're doing this in your car, you can use your vents too, and a few Q-tips, as well as an oil-based makeup remover, just like our Shake It Off, in case we need to perfect your lash line. If you're not used to using liner, it would be great to have a makeup remover in your midst to get started. So feel free to pause now, and welcome back. So let's get started. We're first going to open up your lash liner. When you take it out of the bag, you're going to notice that it says magnetic liner on it. And when you see that, just know that there's ions inside that do need to be moved around. So step 1 of our 3-step process is always shake. So you're going to shake the magnetic liner, shake it all around. And this does not constitute shaking. You must get the feel for the ions moving left and right in the tube so you get the better chance that they divide themselves across your lash line. So shake is your first step. Apply is step 2. So you're going to choose where you would normally start your liner. And I actually start it straight down from my eyebrow line, if I'm normally doing that. And if you've used liquid liner before, you'd be very comfortable with applying this. And so you're going to take it from wherever you'd like the lash to start all the way to the outside of your eye. And the next thing you're going to do is turn on your hairdryer for 20 seconds. Okay, now we've got one eye applied. So every time you go to use the liner, you must shake, apply, dry. So let's do it on the other side. Okay, so as you've got that done, we're going to need 2 coats. So shake, apply, dry a second time. Here we go. Shake, apply, dry. You will notice that it's fully dry when you no longer have a liquid gleam in the mirror. So this will turn to a matte finish once it has dried. And don't worry if you, so one thing I'll say is make sure, and you're going to notice in your lashes that there is a particular thickness in the band. So you want to be generous with the liner to make sure you set yourself up for success, that the magnets are going to hit along that lash liner. The closer you are to the underside of your eye, the lower the lash needs to be to hit those magnets, okay? And if you find that it's too thick, as I said, we can always go in with a Q-tip and clean up that line later. How are you doing out there? The other thing as you're drying, I should mention is please only screw on and screw off the lid. Try not to pump air into it that you might do with a mascara, please. And now we're ready to apply our lashes. So what I'd like you to do is take a look at the set of lashes. If you have one of our symmetrical styles, you will notice there's no real left or right side. But if you have one like our ladies' night, you'll notice it's thinner on the inside and wider on the outside. So naturally this one will be my right eye. So take a look at that. When you take them out of your kit, okay, you're going to notice that it's very stiff. It came in a particular shape. So what I'd like you to do, I call this the slinky, is move the magnets in between, just like a slinky, and get some back and forth movement to loosen that lash up, okay? And we're ready to apply it. The one thing I'll share with you is you want it to be in a horseshoe shape because you want to increase your chances that magnets hit magnets. So when you put it on, you can keep your eye open and it will follow your lash line like so. Do you see the difference now? Don't worry if you've placed it too far in or too far out. As long as your liner is dry, you can pull it right back off, move it in or move it out to better suit you. You may feel it touching on one side or the other, and you're welcome to cut off a magnet if need be as well. So I'm using our ladies' night lash, and you can see the difference now of before and after. So I would love for you to take a before and after photo anytime that you're putting these on again after the tutorial, and send it along. I'd love to see the difference it makes in your life. Thanks and take care.